Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Roland. Today's tutorial is about in-place modeling. Now that we have discussed how to create or place mass form, users interface and functionality, let's review some of the ways in which you can generate massing surfaces. So I've opened this new project number one, level one. I open it like this. I go to home and then new, and then I have selected this metric architect template, and then I just selected this, and then I click OK, and then this is it. Then I have double click this uh, default 3D view, and I have another view. This is 3D view. The one that is open is level 1 and 3D, and I have already selected this massing. I will select it again. I'll go to massing on site, massing and site, and then I have activated this show mask. This one I have activated it, and then I selected this in place mask. I select this, and then I have selected this name default. You can name it any name you want. You can name, but I have selected this. Accept this mask number one as default. And then there are many ways of doing an in-place surface modeling. One is you just create a simple what you call this spline through point. I have selected it like this, this, and here, and then I just selected it and draw surface. This is it. I already have a surface. Another one is you can also do it by selecting this spline, and then I spline it like this, and here, and then I go to modify, and then just select that and create model, and I also have this type of surface. Another one is you can do it by half circle and like this, and then this one, and then like that, and I have a surface. Another one I can do it by line, and then like this, and I have a surface. These are all automatic surface. It's just a single line, and it is not solid. It's just only a surface. But in this surface, we can select this surface, and when you select this surface, you can assign now material in massing. If you accept this finish, and then you can assign, and then finish, and then I have finished this, and go to massing again. I click this massing, and in massing I can assign materials like roof, wall, floors, uh, etc. So if I'm going to touch this wall and select that one, it will become a wall. And then again, there is also a family that is already created inside of our softwares. That is, you can say, you can insert family, and then when you insert, you can load family. There is a family, and in a family, I just go back, and I will select this English, and in English you select this US, and in US you can scroll down, and you can see mass, and here in mass there are many uh, form that was already a family form that was already created in massing. You just only choose this. Let's say I'm going to select one. I will select this box. I select open, and that box we can place it anywhere. We go to this architect, load component, and I have already this component, and I can place it anywhere I want. There we have this. Another type of massing that we can place also is you go back to that insert again, insert, and then go to load family. Again, you can choose any type. We can choose that barrel, or we can choose a cone. We can choose a cylinder. We choose a cylinder, and then like this cylinder, dome. You can choose a dome, gable, and let's select that gable. And then again, you go back and create component, and you have a gable. And then if I'm going to click this box that I have created, in this box you can change the dimensions, width, height, depth. You can select this one. Let's change our unit because I'm not very much use of using this millimeter. Then you choose this unit UN, and then length, and I'm going to change this to meters, and then decimal 2, and then okay, okay. And then if you click this box, you can modify the dimensions. Let's say I want to modify my dimension. Let's say I want 15 meters, and then the height may be around 20 meters, and then the depth may be 15 meters, or let's make it 20 meters also, and then apply. Then it will become big. And then also with this gable that we have selected, we can modify this also. By selecting that, you can see also in the dimensions the width. There is a width. Width, you can change this width. Let's say our width is 12 meters, and then our height, let's say 20 meters also. And then our eave, because it is if I'm going to apply that one, this roof will become very sharp, so you need to change this eave height. If you want eave height, our total height is 20. If I'm going to place here 15, then the eave is only 5. I will place it 15 and then apply. The eave is only 5. Or if I'm going to make it 12 and apply, eave will become uh, this one will become 8. And then the depth, you can change also the depth. Let's say our depth is also 20, and then apply. Now this is the size of our uh, model line that we have selected there in our model that we have selected there in our insert mass. This mass is already available there, and you could choose some. And also, if you want to do something different also, you can just go back there and select a box, or you make another box. You just make another box. You go to edit, and then duplicate this box, duplicate, and then I will name it let's say box uh, 12, gable. Okay, number 2, I select that one, and then okay, and then I'm going to create another box. Just go to component. This is the box that you can select. Again, the box, no? Box is here. Box, this is the second box that we have created, and just select everywhere, and you have any box. And if you want to place a dome here, you can place a dome there at the top. You just go to this insert, back to insert, and then load family, and we can load a family cone, dome. Select it. We can make it a dome, but that is not a cylinder. Or we can place a dome there at the bottom, na open. And then you go to this one, and you can place a dome here at the top. You can place it like this. And now here there's the dome. You can select it, let's say, align. We can align it AL, uh, and then we can choose this bottom, and then it was already aligned, and we just only move it. Just select it and move it, move, and there you can have it. You can place a dome there. I am just approximating the distance because this is just only our uh, what you call it, as a brief discussion regarding this in place. You can do like this also. And then uh, next is again, if you go to level south elevation, I'm going to south elevation. I need to delete some of the form that we have created. We go to this and delete this and delete this. This was created by us earlier, and then I just move that. And then I have these three boxes. One is square, one is gable, and the other one is a box with a dome at the top. And then if I'm going to double click this south, I have this south elevation, and there, and here you can add floor elevation. Just want to approximate this. There, let's see north, south. I have south. Let's see east. Let's see west. Okay, the one that we have created was hidden by this. So I have this elevation, and we can add more elevation. Just right click, and then create similar, and then I just touch this one, pick lines, and add more 4 meters, and then here, and then there. We have this, and then here. This is our levels, and we can add floors also on that. We click this one, and then you can see this mass floor. Then just select this mass floor, and then you just click this level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. Okay, I have the floor. And then also this one, you click it, and you can add floor. What we have is only 1, 2, 3, I think up to level 3. So you just only click this mask, and we have 1, 2, and 3, and then okay. And then also here you can select this, and I think we only have 2 levels, and then go to floor mask, and then 1, 2, and then okay, and then we have 2 levels only. And then also after creating a floor, then we can create the floor. You just go back to massing, and then go to floor, and then click this floor, and then create a floor. You can create it all, this and here, and then create floors. And then also this one, we can make it as a roof. You just only select roof, and select this, and we have a roof. Create roof, and then we have a roof. Also this one, you can make a floor here. So you just only go back to this floor, and then hit this and then create the floor, and then you have a floor. And then another one we have is this one. You just select this one, select this, uh, you go back to wall, the floor, and then create floor, and then you have floor. And you want to have this as a roof, and then you can make it a roof. You just go to roof, and you just select this, and you have a roof. Create a roof. And then also can make this one wall, and this one wall. You can make that one also roof. That is also roof. And if you can see it in our realistic, there is our floor, and the mass is there. If I'm going to uh, show mass this one, I'm going to click this, the mass will go, and the floors will remain because these are all solid. If I'm going back to uh, select this back again, then mass is also again there. After that, we can make a wall. You can make a curtain wall, or you can make a simple wall. So you just only select, you just go to a curtain wall and select this face, and then curtain wall, and you have a curtain wall. Also, if you want to have this as a wall, 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 and then wall, this one wall, and then wall, and also this one if you want it wall, and then wall, and then wall. And in this wall also, we can also, this is already a wall, and then we can place our windows if we want. We can place our windows, we have a roof, we have a wall, and then we also have this one. I want this one to become what you call this, curtain wall. Then curtain wall, I just select this one, and then it's the curtain, and then there. And then if you want to make this one a roof, you just go back to massing, massing, and then roof, and then you select this roof, and then create the roof. And then the other side, you select this, and then create the roof, and you have a roof. And then since this is already a wall, and there you can go to level 1, you just click this level 1, and it is already a wall, and you go to architecture, make a window. You can have a window, a door. You can have a door. You can place a door here, door there, door here, because since this is already a wall, I can place a door here. And then you can also make it like this, and if you see in 3D, now there I have a door. I have placed this door. Windows also you can place. I have placed that door and door in here. And also these floors that we have done, we can also calculate our floor area and mass. We can go to this quantity view, and then schedule, and we can do schedule quantity, and then you just select this floor. Where is that floor? Floor. Select a floor, and then okay. And then in floor, you can make a schedule. You can select this family. You go to this family I have selected, and then go there, and then I can get this family. You go back to schedule. Mass. You just in mass, you just select family. Family. We can calculate our gross floor area in mass. Just go to mass, and then family. Where is the family? There, family, and then here, and then I'm going to uh, what? Where is that? Gross gross floor area. I select this gross floor area, gross surface area, and then I'll select this gross volume, and then okay. And then we have the schedule. We have this gross area in square meters. We have this what you call this gross surface area. This is surface area. There is no dome gross area for floors because the floors are not included there. So there is no floor. There is a surface area, and this is the gross volume. The gross volume of this is already completed. So with this you can also make a formula. You can also make a formula. You just go back to your field. This is the field that we have done earlier. This is the field. Others field. This one that we have activated is past schedule. You go to field, and then after going to field, you can see this formula. Add calculated parameter. You can add your calculated parameter. Let's say I'm going to add volume to flow ratio. I will name this one volume to make it to floor ratio, and then comma number. Make a formula here. You can make a formula there. It say will do like this. uh, Gross volume. What is this? Gross volume divided by 1 meter divided by gross floor area. You should write this as the same as what is here. Gross floor area. All first is capital and F, capital A, capital, and then okay. And then you have a formula for the ratio of volume to floor. And then another one, if you want to have another one, you can place uh, surface to floor ratio. So you just go here, and then you just type surface to ratio, and then also common number, and then make a formula, and uh, and then after that you need to click you need to get this one, gross surface area. We have gross surface area there. You can copy, I think you can copy, no, gross divided by gross floor area. Then okay, and then click OK, and there is our ratio. Now that's it for today. Thank you guys. See you again tomorrow. We're going to discuss this uh, what to call this one, free-form sketching. Tomorrow that is our topic. Okay, bye bye.